The My Funds section is pretty self-explanatory. You have a payment option here. And in this payment option, once it's clicked, if you don't have a wallet address in, it's going to allow you to put it there. If you haven't paid yet, it's not going to allow you to put this wallet address there. There's an order in which to do things. When you first get in, get started. Once you've even opened up one of your matrices or paid for the product, right? You now can actually put your wallet address in. You do that. Once you do that, you can actually end up getting your referral link, right? Then you can finish this stuff up, but get your wallet address in. This is where you do it. In the future, when we have other means for things and a marketplace and other things, the payment-related things will always be in this section. But right now, your wallet address is the most important, and that's what you put in here. Once you do, you cannot edit this. You would have to go to support with specific proper verification that you are who you are. This is how we protect you. We protect you from yourself, your upline, and your downline, so no one can get or change this wallet address but you. And so this is how it's done. You can change. You can put it in once, but you can't edit it. It's one and done. So make sure you know what you're doing. Here's a hot tip. When you do this, don't go for putting a Cash App wallet in there. It has a lot of limitations. Once you reach your max for the day, if you have an account that's limited to only receive 1,000 a day, this is not the place to do that. You can easily do that before lunch, right? If you have a $2,000 to $3,000 a day, just not a good thing. Use blockchain. Use a wallet that doesn't have limitations or isn't going to limit you in any way to what you can receive. That's what I recommend. Then you can always quarterback from there to send it to Coinbase, send it to Cash App, BitPay, but don't use those as wallets. Okay? Hope that helps.